Father. Ay, bless mo aking father. Thank you po.
You guys are great.
Ayan, so, alive.
Picture daw, picture.
Last show. And we are here at the lobby for the meet and greet. Yeah, she's coming out pa. She's coming.
Congrats po.
Thank you so much. Palabas na pa. So, yeah, we are here at the lobby of the Music Museum. It's our last show. And, ayan po ang audience namin. Meet and greet. And people are waiting for their favorite performers. Jesus. And this is Al. Congratulations. Young Mary. Ayan, si Young Mary. Alisa, watch out for her. Thank
You are still the perfect choice.
Yes, o diba? Siyempre dito si Otep ko. Yes, of course, kasi it's the last show. And last meet and greet. Si Miguel po, John the Baptist. And it's a full house. It's a full house and a standing ovation. Napula ng mata ko. So this is what's happening right now. Ano masasabi mo?
Congratulations, superb. More shows to come.
Mag-greet ka na kay Tita Pinky, she will see this. Wala si
Tita
today.
Pinky, I will wish you were here. Pero kita tayo sa cathedral.
Yes. Load ka sa cathedral ah.
Siya yung director namin sa Lisa. Ano ba sila?
Oh, so join na kayo. Yan, si Kaliel.
Hi, Caris. Hi, Kuya Francis.
Yan. So tapos na yung last show namin sa Music Museum. Yan. Nilalive ko na lang yung kagulungan dito sa lobby. Nasa mo makipag-picture, mag-live na. Galing.
Galing. Ano kita?
Yeah, so we have one more show on October 25. It will be at the Manila Cathedral. Ayan po. Ayan. Palabas na yung mga ibang tao. Some are taking pictures. Hello, hi. Hello, Karen. Wala na, masikip na. Sige. Yan, naka-live din ako. Hello, Noli Fam!
Noli Fam. Bye-bye. Congrats po.
Hello, naka-live. Ayan, so hello to our Noli family. Ayan, to the other families who watched us today. Thank you for coming.
Roxy!
is how crazy the meet and greet goes after the show. Bye-bye! Lollipop!
Hi, congratulations!
Congratulations sa amin! Ay,
Sa atin!
so this is our last meet and greet dito sa Music Museum. Yan. Yan. Magkita na lang tayo sa Manila Cathedral.
Manila Cathedral!
October 25.
Yes! See you!
Okay. Ako ay Excuse me! Excuse me! Oh, di ba may flowers si Vince? I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna go around and see if I find someone I know. Of course, here's Joseph.
Congratulations, I'll see you in your show.
Yeah. Here. Yeah, so this is Doctor. Yan, kasama mo yung resident. It's live! Facebook live pala yan. We just finished our show. This is our meet and greet. Congratulations. Naka-live ako.
Nakalive kayo. Congratulations on Manila Cathedral daw.
Yes, October 25. Tas ka na.
Please watch Magnificat on October 25 sa Manila Cathedral po. Tickets are free.
Yo,
Please come.
free. Sumugod na kayo sa Manila Cathedral. Ayan, so... Hello! Iniikot ko yung ano. Hanapin natin si Direk. Sino to?
Ate Sheila, sama ka. Halika. Saba-saba. 1, 2, 3. Yan.
Hindi ko na-recognize pumaya.
Ay, syempre. Kailangan.
Congrats!
Congrats.
This is Little Jesus. Yeah, Little Jesus. Ayan. Makikita na natin si Direk Loris Guillen. Siyempre si Khalil, nagpo-photo op. Sige po, picture muna kayo. Thank you, thank you. Ayan, naka-live ako. Ayan. Salamat po. Ayan. Ayan, naka-live ako. Thank you. Ayan. Direct. Opo, naka-live po tayo direct. This is direct Loris Guillen.
Yung camera na madilim.
Opo. Ay, ayan.
Kahit may ilaw, hindi
Opo, madilim talaga.
Sa camera lang yan.
Opo.
Isama mo sarili mo.
Ayan po. Live po tayo, direct.
Dito mo yan, no? Para may ilaw.
Ay, opo. Ayan. Nasa shadow. Ayan.
Halika.
Opo. Ayan. Screen natin. Ayan. Opo po. Thank you. Okay, so I just did a screenshot of this live with Direct Loris Guillen. Ayan. Balikan natin yung auditorium after the show. Ayan, di ba nagkakagulo sila sa labas? Dito sa loob, nagkakagulo din sila kasi nagliligpit na sila. Ayan, nagliligpit na sila kuya. This is our last show. Umalis na ang audience. Ay, may natira pang tao. Ayan. So once again, thank you Music Museum for having our show. Thank you sa venue. Ayan. Thank you Lyric Opera for the opportunity to be part of your production. Ayan. It's definitely an unforgettable experience. And of course, yan, hindi daw ito ang last show ng Magnificat. Diba? Meron pang mga susunod pa na show, so abangan nyo po yan. May mga pictorial dun sa lobby, pero I chose to do this live to invite you guys on October 25 at the Manila Cathedral. Yan, it's a free show of Magnificat. So, if you're available on that day, we will be posting what time the show will be on October 25. So, thank you for watching. Signing off from Music Museum. Bye!